Candle makers don't want you to discover this.
Right, creepy AI voice lady. We don't.
Melt 5 common candles in a pot over low heat until they melt completely. Pour the melted wax into containers and personalize your candles.
Why are you using pans that you're probably going to cook your food on?
In the first container, add cloves to your liking and mix with red dye.
As if a candle wasn't already enough of a fire hazard, let's add some more.
In the second, add a teaspoon of essential oil, fragrant and green dye, mixing well. In the last container, incorporate odor and dye disinfectant, making sure to mix properly. Finally,
Is she trying to make slime? That looks like slime to me.
place the wicks reserved in the containers with the wax and let them harden.
Those wicks are gonna go everywhere. I've seen wicks pop right out of the wax before if there's not a wick clip, so there's a chance.
These homemade scented candles will last at least a month with a lasting aroma.
No, they won't. Unless she's talking about all 3 of them lasting an entire month. Single one of those candles will not last a month. Okay, we'll be back.